Hello, in this video we'll be creating a spiral staircase. So in the first step to creating a spiral staircase is to select the macro for it and then defining the starting point for the spiral staircase. In this case I will select 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now the macro is asking us what the height is going to be. Let's do 14 feet. And then the last step, it's asking us for the last step or the first step. I'll just hit enter to continue, and then it's asking us for the radius value. In this case I'm going to say 48 inches will be sufficient, and then it'll create our our spiral staircase. Right now it's creating it at 630 degrees, so it's completely coming around all the way through, and I don't particularly want to see that. I want to see something different. So I've made several changes to one and then put it in my library, and I will select it and show it to you. That way we can just save some time in the steps of making all those changes, but you can change throughout all these tabs right here. Now I've got my staircase set right here. This is pretty much what I want to see. And what I want to do now is I want to set this to a front view. Do a numbering. And then create my drawings. So the first set of drawings that I want to create is going to be my plates. I'll go to the filter, select my plates. I will deselect these plates because those are larger plates going on different drawings, but I want those plates to be created. Okay, so we will go now to our processes and then create the selected assemblies on a B-size sheet. Now it's only going to create the treads, not the outside plates, because these are assemblies. The plates attached here are single parts. Let's take a quick look at it. And there's our tread. There's 16 of them. Okay. Now let's create a view for our stairs so we can actually start looking at it. Let's do a front view. And for this, we will use a drawing style for stairs, which we have right here. Okay. So for that, we will also change the scale to, let's do it to 1 inch to 1 foot. The detail box is going to be 6 feet, so we can capture the depth and front of the entire stair. And then on the labels, I do want to make some changes. I don't want to see certain things, so I'm going to make sure that they're emptied out. I do want to see my section part, mark and name. I want to see both. And then one more thing I want to change is I want to change the symbols and the grids. And once I have that set, I'll click OK, and it'll give me a number for the drawing. And I can just pick a window. And in a few seconds we will have a drawing elevation for these stairs that we can dimension as well. Go to the document manager and let's pull open that assembly. There we go. And as we can see, we have several things dimensioned in there. I'm going to open one more thing, detail view properties, and then I'm going to take off the hidden lines. It'll give us a much cleaner view. And there we go. And there you go. That's us creating a drawing for a spiral staircase.